What's going on, guys? Nick from JrTech here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how you can start streaming. What you're going to want to do first is go to OBS in Google, and you should find the top link as the Open Broadcaster software. What this is that it enables you to stream to Twitch and YouTube, and to start that, you're going to click on your operating system. So I have Windows, I'd click on Windows, but right now I already have it installed. Once the installer finishes downloading, you're just going to accept all the permissions and run it once that's done. Once that is over with, you're going to go to your Twitch channel. You're going to go here to channel, and you're going to go to creator dashboard. Once you're in creator dashboard, you're going to go to your settings and stream, and you're going to find your primary stream key here. This is the key that links your OBS to your Twitch stream. With YouTube, it's very similar to do the same. So you're going to copy that. You're going to go to your OBS once it's done downloading, and you're going to go to File, Settings, and your stream here. So you can choose if you're with Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, whatever it might be, and you're going to just put your stream key right in this box. Once that's done, you're going to click Apply, OK. And right away, your Twitch is linked to your OBS. So whenever you click start streaming here, you're going to automatically go live on whatever platform you are associated with. Down here in the audio mixer, you can control the desktop audio that's being recorded or streamed, as well as the sound from your mic. As you can see here, the mic is changing in levels because I'm currently talking into it. And as well as the sound coming from your video capture device if you have that set up. On the left-hand side here, you have your sources, which is exactly what the scene down here is showing. So I have a video capture device that's currently not set up. That's to show my face cam when I stream, and you can move that around wherever you like, control the size of it, and whatnot. So once you have that done, you can have, you're going to go to plus, and you're going to go to game capture. So once you set up your game capture, you're going to click OK, and it captures any full screen application by default. If that doesn't work, you can change it to capture a specific window when you have the game open. And right here, you can see like I have Audacity running to record this audio right now. I'm going to click on Audacity. So sometimes it doesn't work. It's a little finicky sometimes. So you're going to have to mess around with that. But that is how you get your game to show on the screen. Take note of how your sources are layered, because sometimes if you have your face cam underneath your game capture device, it actually won't show your video capture device or your camera. So what you're going to want to do is have the video capture device on top if that's something that you have, as well as you can make other scenes for what your viewers see. So you can switch from your gaming scene to just a face cam if you want by editing the sources in this, or you can have it just as a browser or whatever you need it to be. So that's about it. You can also record out of OBS and whatnot, and you could just go with the settings that are best applicable for you. To start streaming, all you need to do is start streaming here, and then to view your analytics, you can add new tabs here by going to View, Docs, and you can have all these things like stats. It has here, and you can actually snap it into place. Right, that. So that's about it. Drop a comment if you have any questions or concerns, and I'd be glad to answer the questions for you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to stay up to date with our content. We'll catch you in the next one.